horrible mood since I got here to New York. All I can think about is all of the problems I've had, and I just feel so lost, and I don't know how I have gotten to this point.
שלום.